Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and showing you some of the slime that may have worked, may not. I'll tell you how to make. You have shampoo, and kind of shampoo I think will work, but this one was a fail. So, shampoo, a little bit of salt to stir, and leave it for 2 days. And this may turn out like this, or it may not. This is rubbish slime. It's a slime fail. This is no shampoo, just salt in it. I did not do a video 2 days before Bob and everyone now. I have done a video on our YouTube channel for like 2 months. At the moment we have like 7 or 8 subscribers, so this is a very short thing. So please like, subscribe, share, comment down below notification squad if you want to be part of it. Some shout outs to Amber, Simona, Hannah, Abby. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So like, subscribe,